Good afternoon, guys. Welcome back to our channel. I'm Gavin, and I'm starting my journey today from this mandir called Datta Mandir. We are in Kandolim, but right now the area is called Orda, and from there we are heading towards Pilen. So we'll be crossing this area called Mara. And Bambina, this video is for you because you wanted to see some residential area. So this really is a mix of commercial and residential. On my right here there's a building coming up, I guess. Near the beach area in Kandolim, it's mostly commercial everywhere, so you'll see resorts and guest houses and restaurants, but on this stretch you will get to see some residential properties. And I chose this area because it's within the 3 to 5 kilometer radius from the beach area, and besides that, as you can see here, it's not a very crowded area, very nice, very quiet area. Although I haven't gone very far from this place, this is the first time I'm also heading towards Mara. So let's see what's there ahead of us. I know this road ahead somewhere will connect us to Pilen, and then from there I can go to Salegaon. On the left here again there's a building that is coming up. So yeah, it has a mix of everything really. There are villas over here, there are old properties over here, there are some guest houses, resorts, and then there are some buildings that are coming up as well. And the locality looks very good, quiet, peaceful. Saipe Sports Club. Okay. And what's this ahead of us? So there in the distance I can see a hill there, Clarence Cottage, Wildflower Villas. Okay. So like I said, different sorts of properties over here. There are some shops here as well, general stores. Lovely Portuguese style villas on the left, if you notice. And here again some construction is coming up. You can pause the video and have a look at that. The 4-leaf, what's this? John Wine Store. Again some construction going on. And like we always say in our videos, guys, please ride and drive safely, especially if you are on narrow roads. As you can see here, buses, tempos, trucks, two-wheelers, four-wheelers, they are all there over here. So please wear a helmet, please carry your driving license. Do not ride without a helmet. Now we've exited Kandolim. Do not drink and drive. Yeah, these are very obvious rules, but unfortunately they are not being followed in Goa, and there will be strict checking that will be enforced. I think it's already enforced because I did see some traffic police on the way in 2 to 3 spots. So if you are here in Goa, guys, that was a very bad pothole on the road. Small one but very bad. Mara, yeah, this one on the right. So now we have entered this village of Mara. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. Look at this building on the right. Very beautiful, quiet place. And the good thing about this area, okay, so this falls under Pilen. The good thing about this area is from here you can reach Kandolim beach very easily. It's a straight road and you can go towards Salegaon as well. So you're almost like somewhere in between. Connectivity is very good. You can even go towards Porvorim if you go straight and take a right, and then from there you can go towards Panjim. So yes, very nice locality. I was looking for other places, but I have covered all the other places. This one I had not really covered. And what's this here on the left? Right, Hooked restaurant. Okay, guest house on the right. Some shops here on the left. Mara Lane 8. Village Panchayat Pilen Lane 8. Okay, so they have divided their lanes, I mean categorized as per numbers. Lane 7. Okay, that's nice. Lane 6, yeah, as you can see there are many of these green boards over here. So lots of lanes. Obviously we have not gone in there, but I can see some very nice places in there as well. Lane 4, lane 3. On the right here again some construction that is coming up. So many constructions, new constructions that are coming up. And yeah, there are the old village areas as well. So where have we reached? I have no idea, but I'm sure I'll find my way out, because I know this road will take us somewhere towards Pillen. Yeah, I think this is Pillen. Yeah. Yes, this looks familiar. Yeah. Okay, I want to take a left from here and head towards Kalangut. Although the scenery there behind me looks very nice. Nice hill there. Mapsa Strait, Saligaon Strait, Porvorim right. Okay. So as I was saying, you can go to Porvorim. So this is the right that will take you towards Porvorim. And just to add to what I said, besides all the places, look at this pothole. Besides all the places where you can get access to, look at the fields here on the right, extremely gorgeous, so green after, during the monsoons. These places look fabulous. And yes, I was hoping to show you this road. Yeah, coconut trees here on both the sides. Very nice, very beautiful, well maintained road. No garbage. Some farmers here working in the field. Look at this. I hope you got a glimpse of that. So very beautiful area. So yeah, what I wanted to really tell you is you can even go towards Mapsa. I don't know why that. I didn't even see who that was, because that person went so fast on the bike. Don't do that, guys. Don't overspeed. You never know what will come in your way. Okay, let's keep moving straight. Now I think I do remember the road a little bit. Colorful temple here, Shanta Durga, Pillen, something was written. Moika Wado, speed breaker, Mapsa Strait, Porvorim right. Yeah, this right as well will take us to Porvorim. So as you can see here, very nice, very good areas. Lovely Portuguese houses here on the left. And once again some construction, but this doesn't look like a residential property. Moika Wado, Mapsa Strait. We'll continue our journey straight. There are many industries, by the way, here in Pillen. If you check on maps, you'll get to see lane 7A. So that side there were lanes with numbers, and then this side is alphanumeric. Okay, once again on the right here some villas or shopping complex. Something was coming up. What is this? Sands Sai General Store. So I'm just mentioning the names of whatever I see. So because it's really difficult for me to put this on the maps, because I go to so many places. If you like a particular area, or if you want to see, look at this, look at the view here. You can just Google it and check. Nice green hills over here, thanks to the monsoon. And talking about monsoon, today it's a clear day. As you can see, the sky is blue. There are clouds, but I don't think these are rain clouds. These are all white clouds. Last night it did rain a little bit, but yes, we are hoping for more rain, because we still haven't covered the deficit. And this road here, winding road, you have to be extra cautious here, because it's winding and then there are vehicles that are coming from either side. And talking about winding roads and going through such areas, guys, I have started doing something. I check my air, I check my tires. I have started checking the oil weekly. And fuel, obviously I ensure it is close to full, and I don't ride fast, because lately I had experienced a bad incident. The oil had gotten over, and yeah, thanks to my friend Anthony, I am due to check the oil on Tuesday, tomorrow. Unichem is a big factory, if I'm not mistaken. Look at this. So there are like huge trucks and tempos here. But I enjoying this ride because it's windy. I'm sure you can hear it in the video. And although it is sunny because it's been raining since so many days, it's not very hot. Luckily the humidity level is not bad. It's not humid at all. I'm not sweating at all while I'm riding the bike. But yeah, if it continues this way, I'm going to go straight from here. If it continues this way, it is going to feel very hot and humid. I really hope it starts raining soon. And now we are descending a hill. On my right I can see some areas of Salegaon. I am not sure if the camera has captured it, but I am getting a little glimpse. Yeah, there, straight up in the distance. We are going to ride straight from here and head towards St. Alex Church. I think we'll be exiting this area close to the HP gas go down, if I remember. Yeah, look at this. There are all trucks over here. So I was right. I do remember the road a little bit. This here on the right is the go down, I guess. Yeah, so many cylinders. Yeah, correct. This is the one. And there's a right ahead which will connect us on the Shogam Road. And that will take us towards Kalangut. I hope you are guys enjoying these rides and finding these rides informative. If you are enjoying the virtual tour series, please leave a thumbs up, do like, share and subscribe, and inform your friends about the channel. Oh, and by the way, lately I just posted a clip of a Mapsa video, and that clip was of Clara. If you watch the Mapsa video, she sells Goa sausages, and the sausages are too good. The fat to meat ratio, everything is just perfect. The flavor, everything is perfect about the sausages. And you will not believe it, guys, that reel has crossed 130,000 views in just like 2 or 3 days. So I'm sure Clara must have received a lot of calls. She deserves it, guys. And she does send the sausages to other cities in India as well. That's what she informed me. But please contact her. I am not the logistics person. Please contact her. Many people are asking me in the reel about delivery and all that. Just contact her and communicate with the Greenland Bistro. Once again, beautiful fields here on the right. And look at this. I think we will reach the circle near Samrat, right? Samrat, where you get raw samlat. Very good samlat. Yeah, I think we will end up over there. Yeah, so guys, talking about Clara, she's doing a fabulous job. And some people in the reel mentioned that they are buying sausages from her since the last 25 years. That's like unbelievable. Quality and consistency is maintained since so many years. Yes, I was right indeed. We've reached this circle. Beautiful. And there in the distance, that's my Deus Church. And I'm going to be taking a left from here. On the right here is Cafe Samrat. I hope I got the name right. Yeah, I think it is Samrat only. Very good, very well known, very famous, very old place for raw omelette and all the Goan delicacies, breakfast delicacies, charcuterie and all that. Get there early in the morning, and it's a small place, again a hole in the wall. Do not expect anything fancy, but the food is very good and very reasonable as well. We had posted a video and that video has crossed like I think 14,000 views. Look at this view, guys. So many birds here on the left. Very nice, very beautiful area. And if you come here in the evening, you will find many food carts here. On the right here is Mairi Deveshwar. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed watching this one. I really enjoyed the ride, and I was surprised to really, get out in this area. I wasn't really expecting that, but Bambina, I hope you found the video very informative, and I hope I showed you the kind of areas that you are looking for. And Florentine is that here on the right? Yes, Florentine is on the right, and again the fields here, look at this. All the paddy fields have water. Very nice, very beautiful. Okay, until the next one, take care, stay safe and stay positive.